is an activation of the Amber Alert system. This is the Idaho State Communications Center. We have just received this important information regarding a child abducted in Ada County. The Ada County Sheriff's Office is looking for a child who was last seen at January 19, 21 in Ada County and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Legend Nico Garza-Cota. He is a 1-year-old, male with brown hair. Authorities say that the child may be in the company of Marisol Garza and they may be traveling in a 2006 Nissan Altima Plate 2 CVC 722. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact Ada County Sheriff's Office 208-377-6790 immediately.